Hey guys, okay, so this week we are talking about skin and skincare. Look, you can't have a great makeup look unless you're taking care of your skin because that's what all the makeup's going on. I get so many people that are frustrated with their makeup look and how it looks and it just doesn't look good on. And really their frustration is with their skin. So let's talk a little bit about skincare. Why would you even do it? And what does that really even mean? So really, there's only three things you need to do for your skin. I know, right? We see all these things that say you need to do this, you need to do that, you need lasers, you need all these different products. But truly what you need is you need to wash your skin. You need to wash your face, people. Twice a day is best, in the morning time as well as in the afternoon. And the reason that is as you go throughout the day, just being out in the dust and outside, you get like a film of dirt and grime on your skin. And then to go to sleep, that presses into your pores. So, of course, you want to wash that off. But why would you wash it first thing in the morning? Good question. Because first thing in the morning, as you sleep, your skin rejuvenates and it pushes new fresh skin cells out. So what you want to do is you want to wash off the old skin cells and the old layers, and that gives a fresher, younger look. So that's why you want to do it twice a day. So the first thing you need to do is wash your face. The second thing you do is you need to moisturize. Take care of your skin. And moisturizing your skin doesn't mean you have to use some big, thick, heavy cream. You use what is good for your skin type. I've had people tell me, oh, but I have oily skin. Well, most of the time, the reason they have oily skin is because they're not nourishing it and moisturizing it. Sometimes it is, really genetic, and you do, and they make moisturizers for oily skin. But our skin tends to overcompensate when we over dry it. And so it produces more oil so that it'll be moisturized. So the reason you're producing so much oil a lot of times is because you're not giving it the moisture it needs. So a couple of things about moisturizing. Everybody's skin type is different. So you really have to figure out what works for you. You want to moisturize on the outside, but you also want to moisturize from the inside out. What that means is water. I know that everybody says you got to drink water for your body, but really, if you want your skin to look the best that it can look, you've got to hydrate it. You've got to hydrate it from the inside out and then on the outside to soak in. So make sure you moisturize. That's super, super important. The third thing you want to do is protect your skin. I have a lot of women, they're just not fans of foundation, and that's okay. I don't have a problem with that. Even though I'm a makeup artist, I don't have a problem with that. But what I want you to do is protect your skin. Make sure you put on an SPF, some kind of maybe a tinted CC cream or a BB cream that will help give a polished look, but really is there to protect your skin from all of the elements outside, the sun damage and rays. What you don't want to do is have extra damage happen, and then it's too late and there's nothing you can do about that. Or there is something you can do about that. It's just going to be more extensive of a treatment, a laser, a peel, something of that nature. So skincare is super, super important. When you paint a wall or you paint something, your canvas and how flat it is, how well prepared it is for what you're going to put on it, is key. It's an element. So you want to make sure that you take care of your skin, and you want to make sure that you take care of it well. So make sure you wash your face, make sure that you moisturize it, and make sure that you put some protection on it, even if you're not wearing makeup. So skincare, if you don't have a skincare regimen, get one. It's important. Alrighty, if you want any more information or have any questions, ask in the link below. And hey, you can go check out our products that would give you that perfect, beautiful, balanced skin over at yourmakeupexpert.com.